Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be having a review of this watercolor pencil. Got this watercolor pencil in Shopee, 24 watercolor pencil. And by the way, I had to remove it from the plastic. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is how it looks like. You just need to fold it slowly. Yes guys, this is okay, as you can see. So it has what do you call this, brush in the box. We will test it out later, how pigmented are they. Just to test the pencil out, I'm just gonna paint some flowers and leaves, something like that. So yep, let's start like this. Typical leaf. This kind of water pencil, it will really work. Something like detailed painting. It's really gonna work if you try to work it with the detailed painting. So you can see, you can still see the harsh line over here. Around the leaves. Let's try another color. It doesn't matter how much you blend it out, as you can see. I'm still gonna use this pencil when I paint and I need some detail. These are the example of my reviews of this watercolor pencil. So I think that's it, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again to my next video. Thank you.